Which one is the smallest ocean in the world? Answer D. Arctic. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to USA in 1886? Answer A. France. Dead Sea is located between which two countries? Answer B. Jordan and Israel. In which ocean Bermuda Triangle region is located? Answer A. Atlantic. Which country is known as the playground of Europe? Answer C. Switzerland. Which country is also known as the land of rising sun? Answer A. Japan. Which country is known as the land of thunderbolts? Answer B. Bhutan. Which continent has the highest number of countries? Answer D. Africa. In which countries white elephant is found? Answer C. Thailand. Total number of oceans in the world is? Answer B. 5. Which country is also known as the land of thousand lakes? Answer C. Finland. Which plateau, Pathar, is known as the roof of the world? Answer D. Pamir. The world's longest straight road without any corners is located in? Answer C. Saudi Arabia. Which one is the biggest island in the world? Answer D. Greenland. In which year Hong Kong became a part of China after British rule? Answer D. 1997. Which one is the world's highest altitude civilian airport? Answer A. Docheng Jiading Airport, China. Which river is flowing through Grand Canyon in Arizona, USA? Answer B. Colorado River. Which one is the largest tropical rainforest in the world? Answer A. Amazon. How many countries were participated as founding member of United Nations? Answer C. 51. Which one is the longest continental mountain range in the world? Answer B. Andes. Which country is also known as the land of tulips? Answer C. Netherlands. Which country is known as the battleground of Europe? Answer D. Belgium. Mount Etna, one of the most active volcanoes in the world, is located in? Answer A. Italy. The historic city of Machu Picchu is located in which country? Answer D. Peru. Which country has the world's largest peasant population? Answer C. USA. Which one is the biggest waterfall in Niagara Falls? Answer A. Horseshoe Falls. Which country is known as the land of white elephant? Answer C. Thailand. Which river flowing through the London city, England? Answer B. Thames. Only continent in the world without a desert is? Answer D. Europe. Which one is the capital of Spain? Answer B. Madrid. Which country has the most number of lakes? Answer A. Canada. Which country has the highest number of time zones? Answer B. France. emu bird is found in the country? Answer C. Australia. In which country the tallest waterfall of the world, Angel Falls, is located? Answer D. Venezuela. Which river is passing through the Paris city? Answer A. Seine. In which country the Yellowstone National Park is located? Answer D. USA. Which one is the capital city of Canada? Answer C. Ottawa. Which two countries share the same longest land border between the two? Answer B. America and Canada. Which one is the highest mountain in Japan? Answer D. Mount Fuji. Which country has the largest Muslim population in the world? Answer C. Indonesia. The world's largest coral reef system, Great Barrier Reef, is located at? Answer D. Australia. Presidential Medal of Freedom is the highest civilian order of which country? Answer B. USA. International Women's Day is celebrated on? Answer C. 8 March. Which island was previously known as Formosa? Answer B. Taiwan. Where the headquarters of the United States Department of Defense Pentagon is located? Answer B. Virginia. World's Environment Day is observed every year on? Answer D. 5th June. Which city first observed the Earth hour turn off non-essential light for 1 hour on 31st March 2007? Answer C. Sydney. Which animal is in the logo of WWF, World Wildlife Fund for Nature? Answer D. Giant panda. First American president to win a Nobel Peace Prize? Answer A. Theodore Roosevelt. Sofia is the capital city of which country? Answer D. Bulgaria.